Imagine if every organization, big or small, public or private, could govern itself with the same simplicity and fairness as a small community deciding what's best for its members. No hidden agendas, no top-down control, just transparency, integrity, and shared values guiding every decision. Sounds impossible, right? Yet it's not. This is what NEIM does, by transforming governance complexity into something both simple and profoundly intelligent. Most organizations today struggle because they govern through rules, not through norms. Rules are rigid. They tell you what you can't do. Norms are different. They define what you stand for. They're simple but powerful, guiding behavior naturally without needing endless rules and controls. NEIM's first innovation is this shift from rule-based to norms-based governance. It's like upgrading from traffic lights to self-driving cars. Less control, more flow. The result? Governance becomes less about enforcing rules and more about measuring how well an organization lives up to its values. Now here's where it gets interesting. Governance, to be truly effective, can't operate in isolation. It needs input, validation, and adaptation. That's why NEIM is semi-open by design, integrating with Skip, the AI-powered governance marketplace. Think of Skip as an open stage where consultants, training providers, and even the public can verify if an organization's governance is as good as it claims. This semi-open approach doesn't just prove governance quality, it makes governance a collective effort. It's like turning every stakeholder into a sensor, helping organizations adapt and grow. Good governance isn't a one-time achievement, it's a journey. That's why NEIM introduces the 3 progress levels. LA establishes a baseline, where an organization stands today. LB tracks real-world actions, how well it's moving toward its values. LC validates public perception, whether stakeholders see the governance as credible. This isn't just a checklist, it's a roadmap, a continuous cycle of learning, adapting, and proving governance fit. In a way, it's like having a built-in GPS for governance, making sure the organization stays on course. Behind the scenes, NEIM uses a dynamic PalmDP AI model, a fancy way of saying the AI learns from uncertainty. It's like having a chess coach that not only sees the board, but learns and adapts to every move you make. Most AI models focus on making the right decisions based on known conditions. NEIM's AI does something different. It learns from the unknowns. It's constantly adjusting, refining, and optimizing governance fit in real time. This means governance is no longer a fixed set of rules, but a living system, always learning, always improving. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: ethics. Whenever we talk about AI and governance, the first question is it controlling? The answer is simple: no. NEIM's AI doesn't enforce how organizations define their goals, how they interact with customers, or what initiatives they prioritize. Instead, it measures if what they claim aligns with how they're perceived. That's it. It's a bit like a mirror, reflecting the truth, not bending it. By making sure governance is based on transparency and consent, NEIM turns AI from a tool of control into a tool of empowerment. Here's where it all comes together: NEIM Global Insights. Instead of hoarding data in a central AI, NEIM uses federated learning, a way for every organization's AI to learn collectively without ever sharing raw data. Imagine a community where everyone learns from each other's experiences without compromising privacy. That's NEIM's Global Insights, transforming individual governance data into a collective intelligence that benefits all, from governments to SMEs. This isn't just about making governance better. It's about making governance smarter, fairer, and more inclusive. So what makes NEIM truly revolutionary? It's the ability to take the complexity of governance and turn it into something measurable, transparent, and adaptive. In a world where governance feels broken, NEIM offers a new path, one that's rooted in norms, guided by transparency, and validated by the people. It's not just a governance AI, it's the future of governance, built on simplicity, ethics, and intelligence. Governance doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to be done right. And with NEIM, it finally can be.